been a while. Today we have a special project we want to do, right?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
Unbox his new computer.
That's right. Our new computer has arrived, so we want to unbox our new computer, which is a MacBook Pro. And our old one is 10 years old and it's dying on us. So we need something new to help us to create more videos, do more work and projects, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get started. So this is the box we bought. And let's open this up. Okay, let's open this tab. Ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, let's put that there. Alright, here's the box. Let's lift it up. Ta-da! Thank you very much, my little assistant. So we'll show you. This is the box we got. Right?
Yeah.
The MacBook Pro. Okay. And let's take it out of the box. Is there something we have to do first?
Yeah. There's.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, you can pull.
You're so satisfied with the pull it.
I know. So now we're clear. Let's lift this up. Whoa. Okay. So this is what it looks like inside, right?
Yeah.
And it has this little tab. You have to just pull it up. Ooh. Okay. Take this out. So why don't we put the accessories on the side, and I'll leave that to you to open. And we'll do this one. So turn this over. Pull it.
It's so satisfying when you have to pull the tabs.
It's very neat. I like that. Put this one here and this one here. Alright, so let's get the computer out. I don't want to drop it. Yeah, let's put the computer on the side. So, ta-da! This is our new laptop.
It's so big.
Yeah, let's open it up and see. Ready? Whoa. This little Apple logo just came on. Looks like it's ooh, what does this say?
Hello.
It's hello. In Chinese too. What does that say?
Ni hao.
Ni hao. And hello in Chinese as well. Now it's Nihongo. This is Japanese. See how many languages we can recognize. This is, what is it? Hola. Bonjour. French. That was Spanish before that. This is hello. I don't know what language this is. And I definitely don't know what that is. Oh well. So, this is the unboxing of our new computer. Good job, baby. Alright. So, now I'm going to leave it to you to do the rest, okay?
Well, Daddy, check out his new computer. I'm gonna see what else is in here. What's this? I think this is like instruction for what this says. Yeah, I think so. Stickers! Stickers! You can put that inside. I think this is a charger, so look, you can pop this out.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
The computer just talked. So, and there's the cords. So you can put this over here. It's like, whoa. This. I think you just take this off. this whole thing. It's so long. It might be as long as me. It's longer than me. Wow. I think that's it. And I hope you guys like and subscribe. And we'll try to release more videos as soon as we can. Bye guys.